Everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So today we came up with a concept that is on how to create currency converter tool. Okay, this is currency converter tool. Okay, so we will learn about this in detail, and before that I would request everyone to check our playlist. You will find approximately, you guys can see here, we have approximately 307 plus videos. Those will help you in cracking your interviews very easily. And you can also check out our playlist. You will find approximately, guys, concepts on trainers, team leader, operation manager, quality analyst, QA, chat GPT, scrum master, Google Sheets, statistics, ideas and initiation, people management, MS Excel dashboard, Six Sigma certification, team leader interview tutorials, 7 QC tools, quality analyst, trainers tutorials. There are many more videos, guys, that will help you in cracking the interview, guys. So keep looking to our dashboards and playlist. You will get all the information in detail. Okay, so today we are learning an important concept that is on how to design the currency converter tool. In Google, you guys have seen this currency converter tool. Example, if I'm adding 1 here, for $1 is equal to, in Indian rupees, it is equal to 88.61 rupees. Okay, we are creating the same tool in the Excel. So how we can create this? You can see here I added the amount. I have given the currency like USD. It's a given currency and it need to be converted into INR. I'm getting this result. Let me go with one more example. If you can see here, if I change it to 2, okay, sorry, the sheet is loading. Yeah, okay, so it got changed here. And even guys, in Google you can easily find the currency codes for all the countries. So I would suggest everyone to check the currency codes and you can try it here. Okay, so let's see how we can use this and how we can create a currency converter tool. This is basic Excel. I just created a format wherein I will be adding the amount, then currency, and what currency need to be converted, and the result. The main function is here, guys. Okay, the main function is here. You can see here the function which is equal to M7 into M7, which means amount. Okay, M7, which means amount, into we will be using a function called Google Finance. Then in the double quotes I will add currency. I will close double quotes, then I will add and, then I will choose N7 which is equivalent to currency given, and then I will add, and again I will add O7 is equal to currency converted. If you do this, automatically your currency will get converted, guys. Okay, so let me try another currency so you will understand. I will also add this currency converter formula in our description so that you can easily utilize this. Okay, let me add euro, EUR. So this currency got converted into euro, 1.27, and currency given in INR then. Okay, let me add in INR and let me go with $1, 1 rupee. So 1 rupee is equivalent to 0.01 in euros, and in USD you can see here it is equivalent to, it's loading, guys, 0.01. so you will get such kind of result. Okay, I will add euro, EUR. Okay, yes, we got the result. One more thing, guys, the important part here is this currency will change on a real-time basis. Okay, for an example, current currency rate got changed, so this Google Finance function will give you the live currency exchange rate which is going on. Suppose if the currency rate for the USD $1 is at 76 rupees, so it will show you the result with 76. We no need to add everything manually here, guys. Okay, use this formula, it's really easy. Google Finance, currency, double quotes, and all. Upcoming videos I will show you few more examples on Google Finance. We can use it on stock markets, identifying the gold and silver rate. Many more videos are lined up, guys. Definitely I will try to help you out. Still have any doubt, let me know, I will help you out. And don't miss to share and subscribe our channel, and also check out our playlist and check out our Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook page. You will find many more videos on and also you can also find the job vacancies related information. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.